everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm gonna give a disclaimer. Your girl is still in mourning. This is like the third or fourth video that I talked about. Your girl's still struggling with her Bengals losing, so the pep is a little and I didn't sleep good because I kept dreaming that it was just a dream, and then I'd be like and then I'd wake up and I'd be like, oh, it was just a freaking dream. It's reality. So yeah, anyways, I'm running on like 6 hours of sleep, and if y'all know me, the older I've gotten, the more sleep I do need to function at mass capacity. So I'm a little like meh. And it's a dreary, rainy day, the day I'm filming this, so I don't think that's helping much. One thing that is helping is the fact that I've got Martha's new spring collection candles sitting in front of me, because I just did a PR unboxing and things I've been purchasing in the AIA Beauty Bundle box unboxing. And these are sitting here, and I'm like, you know, that is lifting my spirits. Okay, so even though the vitamin D is low, Mama's sad, didn't sleep well, my Bengals lost, the good candle's coming in clutch with her smelly good goodness. So thank you to Martha for sending these over. This one is strawberry cheesecake. This one is Love Spell. She brought back, and I love them. Am I making myself nervous, like and all of that? Yes I am. So I'm gonna put them down because they are glass, and my battery's dying. That's wonderful. Code Hotmess will save you 15% over at the Good Candle, and I definitely suggest at least just picking one up. Just pick out one, you'll be surprised. They're 100% soy, they're amazing. They have an amazing throw, which means the scent really truly fills your house up in the most amazing, bestest way possible. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and change my battery real quick before I get into the unboxing, so give me 1 second. I think I've been filming all these videos with lipstick on my teeth. I'm gonna run me a bubble bath. Pour some Epsom salt in there, and I'm just gonna relax. So anyways, a huge shout out and thank you to Ipsy for sending this box over my way. These are the products and items that you potentially could see or had a choice to pick for your Ipsy Glambag Plus, which is $28 a month, and you get to customize, I do believe, 2 items in the bag, and then the Ipsy Glambag, which is just under $16 a month. Here in Kentucky, it's literally like $15.98, and you do get to customize 1 item in that bag. Now, the way that Ipsy does it, a lot of the times they just kind of put the stuff in the box, not necessarily is everything meant for the way that they put it. So I'm going to do my best at kind of letting you all know my thoughts. So I will say, I do believe, well, hold on, let's start with the bag, one thing at a time, Rhonda. So this is the bag for February, and I freaking love it. Isn't that gorgeous? So it is in like a canvasy, I guess you could, no, that's not canvas, what is it, pleather? Like maybe a pleather type of fabric, but I love these swirls. Like, I just think this is absolutely perfect for February. My camera is so far off, but it's okay. There's nothing professional here on this channel. Not a dang on thing. So anyways, and I do like the little Ipsy heart. I think that is really cute. Now, I do believe for February, Ipsy Glambag X with Bailey Sarian, I do believe is coming out this month as well. So let's go ahead. The first thing that I think does belong in here, but obviously isn't gonna fit, is this Lovecraft Beauty number 9 or 6 brush. It would be like a good little highlighter brush or what have you. So that is the first item that you may have picked or you would see in your glam bag. And then when we open it up, sometimes they'll put like full-size products in here, but most of the time you're gonna see more like deluxe size samples in your glam bag, which I don't mind, because it gives me a chance to kind of try brands out and get a feel for them. And a lot of the times Ipsy will put things in their add-on store. So this first item is by Kaylee, I guess. I don't know, what are you? Oh, it's a liquid liner. I'm such a ding dong. So it's like I believe it's a brown color, because it doesn't say on here, but, and I could even be saying the brand name incorrectly, which would not be the first time. I honestly don't really fiddle with liquid liners, so I always give those away either to my daughter or to you all. So that is the first item. Next in here, we've got the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner. That's a good size. And y'all, I'm gonna just let you all know right now, especially if you have like large pores or you struggle in your T-zone and stuff, like toners are really flipping important, especially getting a good one. Plus, I forget all the things right now because my brain has just like, it's gone like a fart in the wind. But I will say that ever since I started using toners daily, I've noticed a big difference in my skin. It definitely, especially in my T-zone area, like I struggle with large pores and texture like out the wazoo. So this would be absolutely great to be able to get in your Ipsy to try out, because you don't need that much toner. I just put it on a cotton round and do. Next in here we got the Fluff Up Brow Wax by Benefit. These candles smell so flipping good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And they don't give me headaches. Like, do y'all, like some candle companies I've noticed, like I definitely get headaches from. I never get a headache from Martha's. So is this, I guess, a clear brow wax? Is it real waxy? Oh, that's cool. Why are you smelling it? I don't know. Well, so this is really nothing to see here. It's clear-ish. I wonder if it like, it fluffs them. But I wonder if it leaves like a residue or anything. Have y'all ever tried it? I don't know. But that is in here. Could have been a choice too, I don't know. Next in here we've got CB. Is that maybe the brand? I'd say it's a mascara, CBF maybe? I'm not for sure on that either. There's not a card that gives me like the brands, which is fine. I mean, it's a mascara. I don't really, I guess, need, it just says wholesale, whole lot of mascara is what it says. Okay, so on my behalf, one, I'm almost 45, and two, it's dim and dark in here. So I'm not totally blind, not yet. All right, and then last we've got the Pear Nova. What is this, a lunar lip balm? Is this a new brand? Look at me, like, come on guys, answer me. Look at that. What brand was that? Darn it, no scent. Oh my gosh, what was this? Was it in the 90s? Do you guys remember there was a company at the drugstore, I think, that had lipsticks or lip balms like that, and it was moisturizing in the center. I can't remember the name. Oh, it's definitely not even that pigmented whatsoever. I like that. I like that a lot. Well, that is, okay, that's not really, that's, I would be happy with this bio. So, and of course you would have picked one of the items out in here, and I know I picked this month. I can't remember what it was, but I have been able, just to update for y'all, I have been able to get back into my account and make my picks. So have you guys had any more issues with that? Because for a while last year, I had a lot of issues getting into my Ipsy account, my paid for account, and making my choices. But here, the past few months, I've not had an issue whatsoever, which has been really nice. Because like when you pay for it, you obviously want to be able to make your choices. So this for the Glambag Plus, which would be the $28, this is what the bag looks like. So you can see right off the bat there is a big size difference, and typically all the products do come inside of your bag, but for PR purposes they just kind of place it in here so we can show you all. So first I've got the MOTD Blush Duo, which this is another brand I'm not very familiar with, and I feel like here with Ipsy lately, that's what I'm getting, is a lot of brands that I've never heard of before. So this is what the component looks like. It is in like a cardboard packaging, and it's got like a, oh, that's cute. It was kind of like locked down with this like rubber band thing. So when you open it, oh my gosh, the blush is like the lipstick I just showed you all. That's interesting. Okay. I have to smell everything because I want everything to smell absolutely amazing. So next in here we've got the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This will definitely be going in a giveaway For my skin personally, like, you know how skincare, makeup, everything, you know how everything is, you know, like it works great for some people and others it doesn't. And for me personally, every time I've tried this particular item, it just doesn't work well for my skin. So I will be putting that in a giveaway for y'all, because I know a lot of you all love Saturday Skin products, and I know that some of them are really good. I've tried them in the past. There was a vitamin C one that I liked, that we had received in I think a BoxyCharm. But for me, I can't do the pink line. The pink line is just too much for me. All right, next in here, oh, we have a Beauty Bakery Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette. I like Beauty Bakery's formula a lot. Oh, I don't think I've seen this palette before. Sniff it again. That's interesting. Like an interesting color story. It's pretty. Like I like the neutrals obviously in it. See, that's how I function. I have to start covering things in order for my brain to start computing. So I don't know. I've tried Beauty Bakery items in the past and I actually do like them. So we could definitely create a look if you guys wanted with this palette. But this I think may have been a choice. Let me know down below. I honestly can't recall because. And then last in here, ooh, this is amazing. If you pick this, you're gonna love it. This is the First Day Beauty Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Too many P's, really. It was just two, and it was just way too much. So I actually own this. I've repurchased this. I think I got it from like an Octoly back in the day when it first came out. Went through it and purchased another one at Sephora. The First Day Beauty line, y'all, is such a good line. I really like it. They also, if you struggle with like acne or what have you, they have like an acne spot gel as well. But this stuff is freaking amazing. It's not crazy harsh on my skin at all, and it is such a good product. So if this was something you could have picked, you could have chose for an add-on, what have you, highly recommend it. It's a good product. And you guys know I love skincare, so I play in a lot of skincare. So anywho, that is everything that you may see in your Ipsy Glambag and Glambag Plus. And of course the Ipsy X, that one you get to make like I think 3 or 4 choices or something for. So if I happen to receive that one, I will definitely be back to go over everything with you all there. Stay tuned on Instagram, TikTok, or even over here, because I will be playing with these items, doing like little get ready with me's and stuff like that. So thank you to Ipsy for sending this PR over my way. I always have fun unboxing it and telling you all my thoughts and opinions. And I will tell you all the standout product for me and the plus is definitely this product right here. This stuff is freaking amazing. So anywho, let me know y'all's thoughts down below if you made it to the end of today's video. Thank you all, because I know it's a struggle. Your girl's on the struggle bus, but yeah. Don't forget to follow me on my other channel, Hotmess in the Kitchen, for some quick and easy, budget-friendly family meals. And then of course, Hotmess Momma vlogs, where I do a lot of Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You guys don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. And I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I'm really thirsty. I got my liquid IV in here. Fun fact on that, I was feeling like didn't know what was going on. Do you know what it is? I drink so much water, I dehydrate myself. So my favorite is Concord Grape Liquid IV. Put it in my mug from Tina, and yeah, I took 1 liquid IV, and it was like by the end of the day I was like, I was dehydrated. Yeah. Did y'all know you could do that to yourself? Yeah. Okay, I'm rambling. I'll talk to y'all later. Mwah!